Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to invite people to Meta Business Suite. So if you want to add your team member or any other person on your business Meta Suite to manage your ads or maybe your account or maybe for any other purpose, then I'll show you how easily you could do it. So first you have to simply log in with your Meta Business Suite account and then you will be on towards homepage. At there you can see we have so many different options, and on the left side we have a lot of options. So from all these options we have to choose the settings. This is a settings option. Click onto it and then again few options will come up. On the left side you can see we have this option, and within that we have the option for people. If you want to add, click onto this invite option and it will be added there like these people. Now what you have to do is that you have to add the person email address. If you want to give a temporary access, then you can also manage from which date to which, like if you want any other freelancer for your work. Other than that, you have to make sure you add the correct email address, otherwise the wrong person could can get the invitation. And you also have to make sure that what sort of access you would like to give to that person you can manage as per your need. Then you have to manage which assets you would like to give him or her the access. You can do it as per your choice. There are different options, so you can just simply do it. And once you're done, just simply send the invitation. Now the other person will get the invitation on their email address, and now it's up to them if they want to be in your team or maybe added on your business suite. Then they will accept the invitation and then will get there with all the access that you have given to them. So that's how you can add people to your Meta Business Suite. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching the video.